Welcome back to the Kentucky Exposition Center. Behind me is the Millennium 5.
Big thank you to today's sponsor Squarespace for making this video possible.
What we've got here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom modular home that isn't really much like anything else I've seen at the show all day. And you might be thinking, well, obviously, Carrie, it's got a different roof line on this side, it's got a different roof line on that side. And sure, those are good points, but the main thing that sets this home apart is what they've got going on down the side. You can kind of get a glimpse of it right there, but I'm going to get behind the camera. We'll do a full loop around and I'll tell you some of the stuff that I like about this home.
The Millennium 5 was built by Commodore Homes of Indiana, and they serve 16 states, including Montana and Colorado. Let's take a look around this thing.
I'm going to approach this straight on because there is a lot to talk about on the front of this home. They've got the gray lap siding, they've got the vertical wood accent, and then if I come around this side, you'll see, yes, they do have a porch on the front, and check out the overhang. That's just kind of to block the sun a little bit on that front window, and also it looks cool. So a lot of that is aesthetic. Coming around the side, you get the first look at what I was telling you about in the intro, and that's this built-in covered porch right here. Check this out. I'm going to go right up. You know, I was going to continue all the way around, but I'm going to go right up. I can't wait another second. Check it out. It comes with a electric fireplace. You've got windows into the hall, I believe, or possibly the living room. It's going to have outlets for the TV, and look at this. This is kind of like a bar right here that opens and closes. Let's see, I haven't tried this yet. See how it works. I don't want to lock myself out, so the bar is open. How cool is that? You belly up right there, get a margarita or whatever you want to have. Maybe a Shirley Temple or a beer or a Caesar, who knows? Anything you want. Covered porch. They got the built-in LED lights there. Let's continue around the back and then I'll go inside. I don't think I'm done with that porch yet because it is just too cool. So at the back of this, it's offset on the one side, kind of giving it a different look. Even from this side, it is kind of cool. But obviously the front is the showstopper. It's not even close. Let's continue around the far side, see if we can't squeeze through here. Windows on windows down here, so I'm guessing right there, that is into the main bedroom. Back door here, and we've got 3 more similar size windows, or same size windows, into the bedrooms over here. I'm gonna loop around the front and go in the front door. Because yeah, the outside is cool, but we can't forget about the inside either. Lots going on there. So front door, they've got the window up top, definitely an optional porch light. Check that out. I like that. So again, 1,490 square feet. And as you enter into the home, you've got this landing area right here with a bench to tie up your boots. Perfect. Place to hang coats over there. They've also got a coat closet right here. Close that up. And then we head into the main part of the home. On the left, this is the bathroom. So vanity, they've got 4 cabinet doors down below, windows up above, which is always kind of nice. Doesn't look like, nope, they don't open, so do what you want with that information, but it's out there. Black hardware in here, which is kind of cool. Mirror and 3-bulb fixture up above. Let's continue, shall we? Right outside the bathroom, linen closet there for all your linen needs. And then heading back up this way, this is kind of a different layout.
Big important thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. It doesn't matter if you've got a business, you're thinking about starting a business, or you're thinking about starting a business, you can boost your brand with a stunning, easy to use website. It's for that exact reason that I'm building out one website on Squarespace. Possibly two. What I like best about Squarespace is it's easy to use. I was able to hit the ground running with one of their templates. I like to keep it simple, and having the outline to work with does just that. However, for those who want to build a more personalized website, they've got an AI-powered tool that'll design something custom just for you. Based on what I've seen in the comments, people do seem to like the idea of a custom build, so I do wonder if that applies to websites as well. You might be thinking, I'd love to build a website, but I don't have a domain. Nobody panic. This is a one-stop shop. Yes, you can get a domain from Squarespace as well. I was able to pick up careytarno.com for about 25 bucks. Not bad. Whether you're looking to start a blog or sell an online course, they've got the tools to get it going. So let's get it going. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/careytarno to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
The bedroom 2 and 3 are at the front of this home, so call this one whatever you want. We'll call it bedroom 2 for now. That's what's looking out the front. So you got the view right out the front in the Millennium in bedroom 2. Closet, let's see how deep this goes. Not bad. It's about the same distance on that side. Makes sense. That's how wide the wall is. Let's go into the other bedroom. I'm guessing it's going to be more of the same. You know what? No, it isn't. This one feels a little bit bigger. Let's refer to the plan. So it is a little bit longer, but also narrower. So I was both wrong and right at the same time. Nice. Closet looks about the same. Let's continue, shall we? Heading down into the living room. Would you look at this? Look at this feature wall right here. How do we feel about this? I kind of like it. You know, you've got a little bit of extra storage right in the main part of the home. I'm trying to think what I would put in there. Maybe board games, puzzles if I owned any, stuff like that. Trophies, if I had any, would go up there. But if you follow the channel, you might already know about my mediocre athletics career. Heading into the kitchen. Wow. Is this an island or is this an island? Check this out. Do they have an overhang? Yes, they do have the overhang on this side. Easily enough room for 4 bar stools, which they have here. And then there's the first look from the inside out at the covered patio, which again, my favorite feature on this home by far, and it's not close. So going this way, let's check out what they've got for cabinets in here. They've got the drawer there. That's going to be for cutlery, I would think. You know, they got the cabinets up above, soft close. I'm never going to stop saying soft close, so get used to it. Over here, another bank of drawers there, 3 total. And on this side, they have got the fridge. I kind of skipped past it in my excitement over the island. So a bit of a pantry type thing right there. And then over here, almost tripped over the bar stool. We'll call this the bar area. I want to say coffee bar, but given the patio and the drive-through window, I think it's only fair that we call it a bar area because you're gonna be mixing some cocktails in this house, I feel like. This is the back door. We got a spot for washer dryer there. Cabinets above for the detergents. Hot water tank right in there. I'm gonna try not to knock their signage over. And then in here, not storage, that is in fact the furnace. One more space in here, we have got the main bedroom. And look, they've got an accent similar to the front in the bedroom. Ties this place right together. Fan's really humming. Couple windows on the side. One above the bed. And then is this a pocket door? No, it is not. This is the ensuite in the main bedroom. So you've got double sinks, double storage, bank of drawers in the middle, window that opens. So if you're going to be doing some damage, maybe come down here to do it. Big tub over here in the corner, and then a couple of different closets. So we got a walk-in closet there and a linen closet right there beside it, directly across from the toilet. Not just a tub in here, they've also got a walk-in tile shower. Let's poke in here. Nice details right there. So let's go back through the kitchen, and I'm going to show you how you get out, because I didn't really touch on the dining room. 3 windows in the dining room. Exterior door here, which lands on that patio. Let's get another look at this, shall we? Sheesh. I like it.
I'm going to leave the floor plan here for a few seconds while I get into the pricing. Since this home is available in 16 states with different regulations, I was not able to get an exact price. However, I realized people want some kind of an idea, so I did come up with an estimate. My best estimate is that the Millennium 5 will range from $175,000 to $225,000, give or take, depending on where it's going and options included.
All right, that is it for me here at the Millennium 5. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,490 square foot. Yeah, that's right. Modular home from Cavco. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.